All right, so this guy is amazing. I'm not really sure this guy's story, but apparently he's out of Vietnam.
Do you think they all met at like a Three Stooges convention and like we're like rehearsing bits?
What a fantastic question, Trevor. I don't know if that was intentional, but let's
No,
keep
I
watching.
just stumbled into it. I'm dumb.
That's Mo, Larry, and Sing Pow.
Let's now watch that video with some silly sound effects to make it a little more fun.
Did you actually take these from the Three Stooges library? Definitely hearing Hanna-Barbera.
That's Benny Hanna.
Yeah, right. Hanna-Barbera.
Hanna-Barbera.